Howdy, how y'all doing? This is George Fitter-Schrember. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today I'm here at Lagoon Amusement Park during a monsoon on Labor Day, a huge rainstorm. And I'm going to do a one-ride challenge. Yeah, only do one ride today on this holiday. So come join me. Today is a wonderful day. Autumn has arrived. It's a brisk 55 degrees. What a day to go to the park. I'm down to one ride. Which one should it be? Sky Ride? Wicket? Samurai? Or even the Rocket? So many choices. What shall it be? Well, maybe the train. It's covered, and I do like being out of the rain. They don't call me fearless for nothing. The thrill ride of a locomotive. Yeah, that has to be fun. Yeah, I'm going to use my one ride on the train. So let's go take a rail journey. The Wild Kingdom Train is a 10-ticket ride. It must be pretty good. But you can ride it all day long with your daily pass. I just need to head down and find my coach. First class, all the way. There's a perfect seat, nice and wet. Just waiting for the train to fill up with water and with passengers. All aboard! The coaches are pulled by a 24-gauge 440 steam locomotive that takes those passengers around the lagoon, treating them to spectacular views and glimpses of exotic animals. I think I can. As we leave the station on the Lagoon Railroad, we can expect a travel time around 8 minutes, where we end up back at the same station. A big round trip.
He's like analyzing like every scene.
As you leave the station, you'll pass a couple of fun rides, such as the Tidal Wave, or a swing ride called the Turn of the Century. Since today is a one-ride challenge, I won't be riding those today, but maybe another day. The sound of the locomotive is soothing. The feel of the rails beneath your feet is exhilarating, and this ride is about relaxing. One of the highlights, at least for the kids, is going through this man-made tunnel. Yeah, it gets pretty dark in there, but it's pretty fun to enter in. No matter what's going through, there is a light at the end of the tunnel, and it may seem hard to get it, but you can do it. And just keep working towards it, and you'll find the positive side of things. Quote, Demi Lovato. On the far side of the tunnel, it gives you a full view of the lagoon. You might see some fish jumping, ducks swimming, and geese squawking. Keep your eyes open. You'll never know what you'll see. Just around the bend, you're going to enter into the world of the exotic animals. We are heading into the Wild Kingdom Train Zoo. This small zoo is visible while riding this Wild Kingdom train. It is located on the banks of the pond. In 1967, the Animaland Train opened, taking guests past the various animal exhibits. The name of the attraction was changed around 1975 to the Wild Kingdom Train. The park has advertised the zoo as the second largest zoo in Utah. But I would question if it's the second largest one in Utah, because up in Logan, Utah at Willow Park, there's Zootah, a smaller zoo than Hogla Zoo, but there's over 40 animal exhibits with a minimal cost to get in. In the back, he's looking at us. Good old cougar. Up on my property, we don't want to see them. But down here, yeah, a little more safe.
Of course, you don't want to miss the Grant's zebras.
Or the goose.
Oh my goodness. Like body size? No, they're actually
Peacock. Baby peacock. And Mr. Elk. The camels are the smart ones, sitting in their little pen. Not as smart as I thought. They left their pen and enjoying the showers. A little camel facts here. The Bactrian camel has 2 humps, and the dromedary has only 1 hump. Our life is a constant journey, from birth to death. The landscape changes, the people change, our needs change, but the train keeps moving. Life is the train, not the station. Quote, Pablo Coelho. The adak, also known as the white antelope or the screwhorn antelope, is an antelope native to the Sahara Desert and is extremely rare and very endangered. While the common eland, also known as the southern eland or the eland antelope, is a large savanna or plains antelope found in East and Southern Africa. As we're watching them munch down those leaves, they're mainly herbivores, and they have a diet of primarily grasses and leaves. Fallow deer are native to Mediterranean regions of Europe and Asia Minor. Fallow deer also has been introduced all over the world. For example, Texas now has over 10,000 individuals and about 1/3 outside confinement. Invasive species, yeah, that's the fallow deer. But they're just dang cute. They're the smart ones too, hiding in here. As Paul Simon says, there's something about the sound of a train that's very romantic and nostalgic and hopeful. Life is like a train station. People come and go all the time. But the ones that wait for the train with you are the ones that are worth keeping in it. As we end this one ride challenge here at Lagoon and prepare to head off for another adventure, remember, if a train doesn't stop at your station, it's not your train. Marianna Williamson. Find another path, another train ride. And as we leave this particular train station today, I want to thank everyone who's joined me on this one ride challenge. The train, well, kind of synonymous about life. I want to again thank those that have subscribed. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. Hit that notification bell. Give me 2 thumbs up. This is George, the Fearless Rambler. Want to go around in circles again. Signing off.